Porte Doré Station, Paris, 1937. Six passengers step into a first-class carriage and find a scene of absolute carnage. A young woman in a green suit is slumped against the window. A 9-inch stiletto dagger is buried so deep in her neck that only the handle is visible. 90 seconds ago, she was alone in a moving, locked train car. Now, she is a dying spy with a blade in her spine. Before we proceed, friends, we must demand the truth that has been hidden for nearly a century. Who was this woman? A factory worker or a high-level triple agent? Why did the government seal her files in a vault until the year 2038? How did a professional assassin enter a moving train and vanish without a trace? What did the secret society La Cagoule do to ensure she never left that carriage alive?
Her name was Laetitia Toureaux. To her neighbors, she was a quiet widow, but to the secret police, she was Yolanda, a mole who infiltrated the highest ranks of French fascism. The who is simple. She was a triple agent, seducing the leaders of La Cagoule, a group of billionaires planning a violent coup. The why is darker. The government sealed her files until 2038 because her death involves the ancestors of men who still hold power today. And the how? That is where the professional coldness lies. The assassin didn't wait on the platform. They moved through the internal service doors of the train, doors the police claimed were locked, but were actually left open for the elite. In 45 seconds of tunnel darkness, the killer struck the jugular, severed the spinal cord, and vanished into the second-class crowd before the station lights even flickered. What they did was an execution, designed to look like a ghost story.
The investigation died in 1939, buried by the chaos of a world at war. 12 years remain until those vaults finally open in 2038. But listen closely, friends. We live in a society that is always in a hurry. We are surrounded by thousands, yet we see no one. A life can be erased in the 90 seconds it takes to check a notification. Stay alert, because in the darkness between stations, anyone can become a shadow, and the world might just keep moving.